Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can save your time for typing message or long kind of text. So firstly you will go here in general, then there is keyboard, after a second there is text replacement. So you go on plus sign here, then you try to put the phrase. For example, hi, how are you? Hope you are okay. One is a message every day I'm writing so many person, so I can say with a special character, hi dollar sign how, hi dollar how. So I just memorize this shortcut, I save it. So whenever you go WhatsApp or you write the text to anyone, when you write hi dollar sign how, automatically it will replace you with this message. So this is one idea. So in this form you can save anything. You can save your email address and you make shortcut for 2 or 3 special character. You can write plenty of long message, or you can store your account number, you can store anything. So you can make the list. A list will go on and on. So it is up to you how you can memorize, you remember, and save your time. So second one I'll show you. For example, this is the detail. For example, let's say my bus card number, bus card, let's say. So whenever I'm going to recharge online my bus card, what I will do, I just type my bus card, so the number of my bus card comes up. So in this way you can store text, words, number, anything here.